In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage routines in Todoist. Whether you're a longtime user or just getting started, setting up routines can really simplify your daily tasks. Let's dive in and learn how to create and manage an efficient morning and night routine. First, you'll need to open your Todoist app or go to the website. Once you're there, start by identifying the section called My Projects. This is where all your tasks and projects will be organized, helping you maintain a clear overview of what's on your plate. Now, to get into routine management, we'll create an example project for both your morning and night routines. Begin by clicking on the plus sign, which you can find typically on the projects page. You'll click on Add Project to begin setting up your routines. Next, type in a name for your project that clearly identifies it, like Morning Routine. Be sure to choose settings that suit your personal preferences and daily needs, such as color coding or priority levels. Once you're satisfied, click on Add to save your project. We'll repeat the same steps to add another project for your evening routine. Again, click on My Projects, tap that trusty plus sign, and choose Add Project. Name this one something like Night Routine, ensuring you adjust settings to fit your evening activities. Once again, click Add to create the project. Now, with both your morning and night routine projects set up, it's time to get into action. Open your newly created morning routine project. At this point, you'll want to list all the tasks that make up your morning activities. Click on Add Task, a button that should be easy to spot in your project view. Here, you can enter specific tasks like exercise or meditate or write in journal. After adding a task, click on the Date button to set when this task should occur. This feature allows you to customize the recurrence, so if it's a daily activity, make sure to set it for every day. Also, prioritize each task to receive reminders, keeping you on track during hectic mornings. Once you're happy with your tasks, repeat this process for your night routine. Open the night routine project, click on Add Task, and input your evening activities. Just like before, set dates for recurring tasks and prioritize them according to importance. That's it. You've not only been able to set up tasks, but also manage reminders and priorities for an organized routine. By the end of this setup, you'll have a comprehensive daily routine that Todoist will manage for you. The ease of tracking your routines will ensure you maintain consistency, making your day more productive and balanced. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.